How to open YouTube audio library on mobile. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily open your YouTube audio library on mobile. So first thing first, just head over to your YouTube application and make sure you are logged into your account and simply select this profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now simply select the settings or gear icon at the top right corner, and once you're inside here, scroll all the way down until you see the option that is help. So just tap on this because you do not see the direct option to head over to YouTube audio library on mobile. So you just have to click on this search bar and simply search in for audio. And once you search in for audio, you should get the recommendation option that is use music and sound effects option at the top. Just tap on that. And once you're inside here, in this interface you can see, you can actually sign into YouTube Studio to head over to audio library, but you can also see that you can also access the audio library directly at this mentioned link. So just tap on this from over here and you should be heading or redirected to this particular interface, and you can simply see that you need to get the YouTube Studio app. So you can just tap on this continue to studio option from the below, and just like that you should be successfully redirected to this page where you can automatically see all of the audio library just like that. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.